So in 1968, there was a company called TRW Information Systems, and they were founded just so that they can acquire credit data, followed by the creation of TransUnion, another credit bureau in 1969. So TRW later sold to like two private equity firms as Experian in 1996. So that's just a little history right there for you. So in 1970, the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, was passed. Now this required credit bureaus to make their information public and remove any data that may cause discrimination, such as race, sexuality, and disability. So the FCRA governs who can receive a copy of your report, under what circumstances, and what is included in your report. And then the FCRA defines the responsibility of credit reporting companies and the responsibility of businesses that choose to report info to the credit reporting companies. So the FCRA is your friend. So this is the, in the previous slides, I showed you the 15 USC 1681. That is called, that's the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So if you want to learn a lot more information and get really in depth and learn all of your consumer laws, your consumer rights, you will want to study the FCRA. This will actually help you get to that financial freedom that you're looking for. But in this course, we'll give you some, a few laws that we like, that we use, that we recommend that you study, but then also, do your own due diligence, because, at the end of the day, you are the consumer, you have rights, and this is actually your journey in order to, get your credit 100% accurate. So make sure that you do some studying on the FCRA.